Hey there, this video is to show you how to do an invisible increase and an invisible decrease. So we're going to start with an increase. When you do a regular increase stitch, what happens is you place 2 stitches into the same stitch. So for example, here we've got 2 single crochets, both placed in that same stitch. Now this makes it a little bit bulky, it makes a little bit of a hole down here. So to eliminate some of that, we can do an invisible increase. So an invisible increase, we are going to look at our next stitch here, and we're going to look, there's a front loop and a back loop for the stitch. What we want to do to start our invisible increase is to come up the front loop here, and we are going to do a slip stitch. So yarn over and pull it through that front loop and through your stitch on your hook. Now the key to this is to make sure that this slip stitch stays loose, because if it's too tight, it'll be impossible to work into when you come around for the next round. So start with that slip stitch, and then what we're going to do to make the increase part is we are going to go back under that front loop and under our back loop, and we are going to complete our single crochet now, like so. So you can see there that that makes the increase much less bulky than it does if you just place 2 stitches into the same stitch. Okay, so now let's show you how to do an invisible decrease. I'll start by showing you a regular decrease. So to do that, you go through both stitches, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. So see how bulky that is? And there's a gap here, and it just doesn't look as nice as invisible decrease does. So let's take that out, and I'll show you how to make it an invisible decrease. So for an invisible decrease, we will again look at our stitches, the front loop and the back loop, and we want to go up the front loop of the first stitch, up the front loop of the second stitch, yarn over, pull through the front loops of those stitches, yarn over, through 2. So we've done a single crochet, but we've gone through the front loop of both of those stitches. See how that fits in much more seamlessly than the other decrease? So that's what we want. Alrighty, I hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.